All right, we're back again. Kimmy's got the camera. We've got a few more paints to do.
Okay. Right, here we go. Here we go again.
Put this one up that you just showed. It's a shame it's got
Yep.
a great mark.
Nice little picnic. It is a beautiful story. It's so cute. It's a Pekingese.
Cool.
Yes.
So that's an old artist, that.
Mm-hmm.
So he's painting himself for up to, there's one of them actually was on eBay, I think, for 600.
Oh, yeah.
What do you reckon? We'll get those other ones along the back now. Maybe a few more up there. Yeah. That's his name. Isn't it cute though?
It is. It's really cute.
It's very Victorian with the bugs and stuff.
Yeah. No writing on the back.
No, this is a lovely one too. It's of an old weir.
Oh, okay.
See the boat and everything like that.
This one's a bit spacey. Nothing on the back, and then you've got this nice, I don't know, seaside thing. I don't know. I don't know anything about it.
Yeah, I reckon
I really like the colours in this one. It's beautiful.
yeah, that was curbside, that one.
That one's gorgeous. He'd probably get mad at me. Nah, don't like that one. Scooby, your job is nearly done. There's not that many to go.
No.
I love the colours in that, the blue and the purple.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's
this
beautiful.
One here I might put over here. It's sort of go with Nambour.
Okay.
Sort of vintage thing. Jump down there, buddy.
All right, let me get this on camera. Scooby getting down.
Step.
Go, Scoob. Yay. Scooby's a very great helper. Very hard-working, Scoob.
And I know, and the money's right.
Yes. He's cheap.
How much paying?
How's you paying?
I still owe you 500, don't I?
Yeah. No, you're paying Wild Boar.
I'm not buying you 500 after the wild boar, mate. It'll kill you. It'll kill you.
I think one can's going to kill me.
Now, they're going to have to go to our new channel to see us play now.
Yep. So,
The Picking Family, Pokies and Plonk is the name of the new channel. The Picking Family, Pokies and Plonk. So we got pokie videos. Me and Kimmy went out and played the pokies yesterday, didn't we?
we did.
And we had a great run.
We did. We didn't win a lot, but it was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got lots of features and...
And new games. New
Yeah.
games we haven't seen.
Yep.
I did the $50 challenge like I do with $50
Yeah.
for a rinsed in a minute. Yeah, so then we went to just betting 50 cents on the dollar. And we played like,
Oh, 3 hours?
features on 13 different machines.
And machines that we haven't seen,
Yeah,
and the big
yeah.
humongous ones.
Yeah, this huge one. It was bloody.
There was 2 huge ones.
Yeah, it was. It was freaky, man.
Yep.
Very freaky.
Okay. Looking good.
What do you think, guys? Are we're doing some good?
Still needs a mini skip, but you know.
But it's better than it was.
Oh, of course. Beautiful.
Alright, so now we're going to put these pictures. Speakers are going to go over this side. You want to start on that end, Scoop? Put over this side. And then the clothes and stuff we can bring in. So everything over this side basically is not going to Nambour. Nambour's all that stuff there.
Well, there's only like 1, 2, 3 bags closed.
Now I'm probably going to say. Hindsight's a great. Oh,
Oh.
I didn't do that.
Now he's trying to break Scooby up.
Oh. So what do you think, honey?
I think it's great. Yeah,
It's better.
As great as it can be. At least there's more room now for more more shit. No books. I told you we're getting a divorce.
We're not married.
Well, we're never getting married.
I thought we both agreed that.
Yeah. I love
Just
you.
a piece of paper anyway, baby.
Yes, that's for sure. I told you it'd have to be like a great big diamond ring.
Well, Scooby will find you one of them for $5 at an off shop. Hey.
Oh, but he hasn't even started drinking.
This is cool, man. There's a museum piece, huh? The only other one I could find is in the Brisbane Museum.
Oh, okay. Where is... Oh, the museum's moved to South Bank now.
Yeah.
That's right. Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It wasn't a great place to put
Yeah, you should put them down here with the cricket bats. Oh, no.
it. That's all right. We're getting there.
Is that other thing yours as well? That arrow? Just
Yeah.
target? Oh, is it? Okay.
I don't mind that.
It's because they're slippery, baby.
Slippery sucker. I didn't find the glass top to that. So
Trailer?
maybe it broke. Yeah, it's a big job. No, we're going to put the thing in first. The
Oh.
one skate. It's nice in front. So what
One
else?
more chair.
That it?
This box is here. And that is it.
Fold up the table. We'll leave the table here, shall we?
If you want it.
Yeah. It'll help the sorting for Nambour anyway.
Mm-hmm.
What am I on?
Pretty sure it's my table.
It's mine.
Beautiful.
Oh, I tell you what.
Oh no, he's taking them to Nambour, so they'll go. Maybe bring them, put them near the TV here, Scoob.
See the first one you got there in that hand? You know what that is?
This one.
Yeah.
Where?
Ainsley Roberts.
I've heard of them.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, you know the Aboriginal Dreamtime books?
Oh, yeah.
You know, the Rufus and all that sort of
Yeah.
stuff? Well, Ainsley Roberts was the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, even though that's a copy, it's still $300 copy. We're done.
Yep. So let's say au revoir.
Set you. Catch us now. We're going to go and what are we doing now, honey?
I'm going to get the washing off the line, and he's going to feed me, and then I'm going to do the drinking.
Oh, yeah, I've got to make something to eat first. All right, thanks, Scoops, for helping because it would have been worse with just me and Kimmy. We'd still be here. Or she would have left and caught a fucking bus on the bus.
On the bus. You always put me on
Always. All right, legends all. See you on the next thing. Go and check out our new channel, which is all us, our drinking and gambling and shit. So this one's just pure business. It is. Of course it is.